Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And y'all, I'm wearing my crown because it's my birthday. I am 62 years old today. How this happened, I couldn't tell you. I feel like I'm 26. We'll flip that, okay? So it's also Charmaine's birthday, Charmaine's staycation. I've known Charmaine a couple of years now, and we discovered a couple of years ago that it's her birthday and my birthday are December 17. We have the same birthday. So we're very different people in a lot of ways, but we're also very much the same in a lot of ways. We love y'all so much, and we like to do giveaways. So Charmaine came up with some questions for us, and I'm going to talk about those, and we also will be doing a giveaway. So I'll have her in the description below. And I just thought for fun, I'd wear my crown. So it's emerald. So I tried to be matchy-matchy. So Charmaine is just the most exuberant person you will ever meet. She just is so bubbly and happy, and everything she sees makes her so happy. And she loves learning about makeup and skincare. And she gets so delighted. If you see, her delight is contagious. And I just love her. I love her so much. She has been transitioning her channel. She still will do some unboxings if she gets things like that and some hauls, but she's been transitioning more toward books. She has a book club, and she has that book club with Taylor Marie, and I'll put Taylor below as well. And they're both really super nice ladies. And Taylor lives in the States, and Charmaine lives in Canada, and they are best friends. It's really very cool. They met on YouTube, and they are just, I love them both so much. They just are like sisters that were split somewhere along the line, but they're wonderful people, and I'd like you all to go see them. So to win the giveaway, my giveaway, you have to be subscribed publicly to me and to Charmaine's staycation. And we'll run this for 2 weeks. And, I forgot to look at my calendar when, I think that's going to be December 31st. Yes, 2 weeks. That's a Sunday, like today. And I will end mine at noon Central Time. Now do what Charmaine says on hers, because she may end it differently. So a lot of times when my giveaways, I'm not really good at ending them on time, and I forget to tell y'all about it, but this one I'm not going to forget. So it may, give me, I don't know if I'll announce a winner on Mask Monday or another day, we'll see. But I will announce it as soon as I can. And like I said, you have to be subscribed to Charmaine and me. And I just want you all to, if you don't know Charmaine, please go over and see her and say, hey, say Mary sent you. Charmaine is, as much as she is so exuberant and happy and bubbly and loving, she has had a rough time this past year. She's had some health issues, and she's just, been a little down. And so, go over and send her some love. Send her some love. Okay, so she came up with these birthday questions, and so let's do them. And what is your birthday wish this year? Now, some of these, Charmaine really likes to think a lot about things and come up with fabulous questions. I am not that good at that, but I'll do my very best to answer. What is your birthday wish this year? And I will have to say, always my wish is for world peace. And, but I always wish for that. I wish the world would get along. I wish we all could get along. I really do. And if I had a wish for YouTube, I would just like to continue having fun. I'm having a lot of fun. You all make my day every day. And like meeting people like Charmaine. I mean, she's so far away from me, but I just feel like we're close. We're close in our hearts. That's how I feel with a lot of y'all. So I want to just continue having fun. And of course, I'd like to grow. I'd like to grow. Yeah, this might fall off, y'all. What is your favorite memory of the year? I have a couple. Seeing my family. I see my family around Thanksgiving time, and that is always a highlight of the year for me. And also when I hit 2,000, that was pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think those kind of milestones really, just make you feel good. So the next question is, what is something you always say? I'm constantly yelling at the cats to stop breaking things. especially Charmaine. Sorry, Charmaine. Camille is right here. See, Camille has a name like Charmaine. Those are really lovely, beautiful, feminine names. That's what I wanted for Camille. I didn't want her to have like a name like, you know, Smokey or Snow or something, because I wanted her to have a really feminine name like Charmaine. So Camille is what I came up with. But one of my famous sayings that I really mean, and I have to remind myself also, is use your good stuff. Really, use your good stuff, y'all. What is your biggest pet peeve? This, you know, it's hard. It's very hard because I think we all have a lot of pet peeves. You know, we all do. We all have things that irritate us or aggravate us. I have to say, I don't like misspellings, but my phone autocorrects all the time and changes words. And like when I some, S-O-M-E, it always puts down S-O-N-E. And is that even a word? So I'm always correcting my words and, you know, like you, your, that whole thing. And when people started texting way back and they would put you are for your, oh, did that irritate me? But I'm much more calm about things now, and it doesn't bother me near as much as it used to. But yeah, autocorrect, I have trouble with autocorrect. There are other things that aggravate me, sure. But I do have difficulty with people that drink in excess and become belligerent. That's always been a problem for me my whole life. And like I dislike smoking. I dislike being in a place and I get all smoky. See, you know, we can all, and then you come home and you're in your house and you smell awful and you've got to immediately get in the shower and wash your clothes. I have a list. We all have a list. So anyway, let's move on. What is something new you learned? Sharmaine is so good about finding something new to learn, and I'm not that way, y'all. I do the same thing day in and day out. But I will say this the only thing I could think of here is something new I learned was while I was in Chicago last year, my family showed me Wordle, which is a game that you play online every day. And then this year, and they were talking about Quordle, but I didn't try that. Wordle is you put in 5 letters, a 5-letter word, and then you have to find the right letter, and it's all about using your brain. So it's really good for you. Quordle is the same concept, but it's 4 words instead of 1 word. And you only have 9 tries to get the 4 words. So you have to use your mind. So that's what I have learned this year is Quordle from going there. And there are other games that they talk about, but I just don't have time for them all. But those 2 I try to do each day. Not every day. I don't always make it. And also, I was having some trouble. Now, this goes back to last year. I was having a little trouble with Facebook where people were getting like messenger messages from me, and it wasn't really from me. So a friend of mine who's real tech savvy said to post more often, because I wasn't posting at all. I don't like Facebook. Hate it, hate it, hate it. But I like to see what my family's up to. So what I do with that Wordle is I share it every day on there. So then it looks like I'm active. So that has helped me too. Okay, that was that question. Who do you look up to? I gotta tell y'all, there's a lot of people that you might look up to in your life. You know, your teacher, a good friend, your neighbor, your pastor, a president or somebody like that, a politician or somebody. But who do I look up to is my parents. My dad is my hero and has always been my hero. And my mom is phenomenal. My mom is phenomenal. I don't know how she does it, but she is incredible. Who's your best friend? This is a tough one for me. I don't really like to use those terminologies, best friend. I have several very dear friends, and I just don't use best friend since I've been a kid. Even when I was a kid, there was a group of us, there were 4 of us that were besties, and we didn't, you didn't say besties back then, but I don't use that phrase. I have a few very dear people. What is the best thing about me? I try to be understanding. I try to put myself in other people's shoes. to see what they're thinking or feeling so that I can understand them better. I try. What is your best advice? Take care of yourself because no one else will. And that is the very truth. And use your good stuff. And also, really important to me, and if you have any issues with this, I think that you really, if you have issues, oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. For me, I'm not trying to push anything on anybody, I promise, but find some form of faith. Camille, I am a Christian, but I do respect whatever works for you. Having faith to me has been life-changing. I was raised in a Christian home, and I have been faithful a good bit of my life. There's been times where I've left the church and then came back, and during those times, I would have done better if I had stayed. And a lot of people do that when they're young. You know, I'm not going there, and then we come back. I think that it's very important to have a community of people, and I get that at church, and just believing in God, in the Holy Trinity. It's very important to me. Whatever works for you, but I do think it's important to have people around you that are a lot like that believe some of the things that you believe, just because it's good for you to be around similar people or like-minded people. That's what I'm trying to say. So y'all, I have a giveaway, and because this video is getting long, it is going to be a mystery giveaway. And what I'll do is whoever wins, I will ask you what maybe some things you like. And if I have those things, then I'll be sending them to you. So it'll be a nice package. And so just say to me, what could we say? I should have thought of this before. Anyway, I'll tell you a few things about the giveaway. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. When I mail this giveaway and it's out of my hands, I'll get I'll get a tracking number from the U.S. Postal Service, and it's out of my hands. If something happens to it, if it's damaged, it's not. I am not responsible. If anything in there bothers your skin, or if you're allergic to anything, I'm not responsible. Please test before you do anything like that. And you're supposed to be 18 years or older to enter the giveaway, and use the word red, R-E-D. So I don't know, because I can't think of anything. Or maybe we should have said green for my crown. But anyway, we'll do red, okay? My lips are red. And that's it, y'all. So thank you so much for being here. I've got to tell y'all, it's my own fault. I'm the one who started it. But when I first started my channel, I started it in October. And then in December, I just got in the mood and wanted to do a giveaway. And I made the mistake of calling it my birthday giveaway, because I don't like y'all knowing it's my birthday, because you don't have to do anything for me, really. You don't have to send me cards. You don't have to send me gifts. And I feel sometimes by saying it, because it does, it comes up every year because I'm doing giveaways. I don't want anybody to feel obligated to do anything, please. I don't need anything. I've got too much. I want to give to you. Seriously, I want to give to you. So love y'all, and count your blessings. And go see my dear friend Charmaine. And if you don't know her already, please tell her I sent you. And do me a favor, when you go over, watch her whole video before you subscribe. And like our videos. And you have to comment on Charmaine's video as well as commenting on my video. She's doing a giveaway also, so you might as well comment on her video. Listen to what she says. Even if you don't want to enter her giveaway and you want to enter mine, you have to comment on both videos. If you just want to enter her giveaway and not mine, you have to comment on both videos. And thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Use your good stuff, y'all.